Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley is appealing to the business community to ensure customers adhere to proper social distancing while shopping for Christmas. His statement comes after head of the Thoracic Department at the Caura Hospital, Dr. Trotman, expressed her disappointment that businesses are allowing overcrowding at stores. Sunil Lalla reports.
Today I want to appeal to all the business community. This might be your best week, I know that. Might be your best week in the year, but don't let it be the week when we would have lost the gains that we have made.
The concern and appeal from Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley just 2 days before Christmas for supermarkets, retail stores and other establishments to adhere to the 50% capacity. At a media conference on Wednesday, Dr. Rowley said there were no changes made to any of the protocols currently in place, but urged all citizens to practice physical distancing to ensure cases do not increase in the next few weeks. Head of the Thoracic Department at the Caura Hospital, Dr. Trotman, reminded people that they have a choice to turn back from any establishment that may be overcrowded.
Make it your personal responsibility that if you go to those areas, like I do, Minister Young does, CMO does, you're not comfortable, remove yourself from that environment.
Dr. Rowley said he understands Tobago is expecting a bumper number of visitors for the Christmas season and is warning against any planned parties.
Trinidadians going to Tobago. It is not a free-up zone. It is not a COVID propagation zone. It is not a COVID spreader zone. It's a great place to spend Christmas and the New Year. Be there, but you see these parties you all are organizing there, and we know what you're doing. You are going to be visited by law enforcement.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Terence Dialsing also advised against a new trend of time-lapse liming.
So if they are accustomed having 30 or 40 people at home, they are now saying, okay, 10 people come between 9 and 12 for brunch, 10 come between 1 and 3 for lunch, and 10 come between 4 and 9 for dinner. That is just as dangerous as bringing all those people together.
The Prime Minister said there would be another review of the public health protocols in early January. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.
The number of COVID-19 cases reported has gone up by 47. In its daily clinical update, the Ministry of Health said of the new cases, 30 are offshore workers and 1 is a repatriated person. The number of active cases is now 451. There have been no new deaths. The death toll remains at 125.